Stoic secrets to avoid the noise of the modern era. 1. Master perception. Recognize that external events aren't upsetting. It's our interpretations that matter. 2. Simplify life. Minimize distractions, focusing solely on what truly matters. 3. Build resilience. Cultivate self-control and reflection to navigate distractions intentionally. 4. Nurture mindfulness. Embrace solitude and detachment, fostering present moment awareness. 5. Establish boundaries. Set clear intentions, control consumption, and prioritize real-world interactions. 6. Reclaim focus. Value attention as a precious resource, creating environments conducive to concentration. Show your support by hitting the like button and becoming a subscriber to our channel. Thank you.